Happy morning to everyone. Welcome to my channel Biotech Info, and today we are going to discuss about the current affairs. Let us start today's current affairs by paying tribute to S.P. Balasubramaniam sir. He is a legendary playback singer, actor, and he was born in Nellore of Andhra Pradesh in 1946. Do you know that which film he has given for the first time the debut? It is Sri 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 Maryada Ramana on December 15, 1966. And he was acted in 74 movies. And do you know how many awards he got? He got 6 national awards, 6 Filmfare awards, 4 Tamil Nadu State Awards, 4 Karnataka State Awards, and 25 Nandi State Awards. And also, he got Padma Bhushan in 2011 and Padma Shri in 2001. And he was in this industry more than 50 plus years. He is able to sing songs in 16 plus languages, and he sang around 40,000 plus songs, and he gave the live programs, and he even got 7 lifetime achievement awards, and that's why SP sir is going to be called as Sripati Pandita Radyula Balasubramaniam sir. Hats off to you, sir. And also, he was a big fan of cricket. When we came to the point of a cricket, former Australian batsman of one day international cricket died recently of a sudden cardiac arrest in Mumbai. And he is D. Jones. He is a star sport commentator team for the IPL, and he played 52 test matches and also 164 one-day international. And he was in the team of Australia at the time of winning World Cup, that is in 1987. First woman politician in the South India to clock 1 million followers on Twitter. Can you guess who is she? Yes, she is none other than Kalvakuntla Kavita. And she ran campaigns like Sisters for a Change and Gift a Helmet. Next one is Bharat Biotech, which is an Hyderabad-based vaccine manufacturer, got an agreement with Washington University School of Medicine in St. Louis for a novel chimp adenovirus, which is a single dose intranasal vaccine. Another jewel added to the city of pearls, that is Hyderabad, in the form of Durgam Cheruvu cable bridge. One more landmark for the city, it is a 4-lane elevated corridor, and it is the world's largest span concrete deck cable stayed bridge. And it was inaugurated by our Telangana Minister for Municipal Administration and Urban Development, K.T. Ramarao sir, along with the Union Minister of State for Home, that is G. Kishan Reddy sir. Indian Army selected 2 women officers as observers. Can you guess who are those? Yeah, SLT Kumudini Tyagi and also SLT Riti Singh. The next one is, who is a chairperson of National Commission for Women? She is none other than Rekha Sharma. Next one, can we give an abbreviation? FCRA. What does it mean? Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment. Can you guess which is the largest service aircraft carrier in the world? Yes, it is INS Virat, and it is a part of an Operation Jupiter as well as an Operation Parakram. Next, Oracle Corporation and Walmart Inc. and ByteDance Limited, which belongs to China, has created a new company called as TikTok Global to run the US video sharing app. And also it is going to do the US based TikTok venture directed toward teaching American children the real history. Here one more question also we will get, that who is the Oracle chairperson? He is none other than Larry Ellison, and also Walmart CEO Don McMillan. And next one is, what is an abbreviation of FPI? It is in Foreign Portfolio Investment. In which state the country's second rocket launch port will be established? That is Tamil Nadu. Then which is the first state which is having the rocket launch port? That is Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Then when it comes to the Tamil Nadu, where it is going to be located? Tukkukudi is a place where this is going to be established. When we are discussing about this Tamil Nadu state, we have to even have a glance on who is the first ambulance driver. Is Veeralakshmi, she belongs to Tamil Nadu, and also it is a electric vehicle park is there in Tamil Nadu, and also Tamil Nadu is famous for the Meenakshi temple or Madurai temple we used to call. With which country did India practice passage novel? That is Australia. Which is the capital city of Australia? Canberra. And who is the Prime Minister of Australia? It is Scott Morrison. Then, which country topped the FIFA 2020 rankings? That is Belgium. Next, who was appointed Punjab and Maharashtra as a new administrator for the cooperative bank? That is A.K. Das. Next one, who was appointed as a regional ambassador of UNEP, that is United Nations Environmental Program? And she is Kushi Chindalia, she is 17 years old and she belongs to Surat of Gujarat. Like Dia Mirza, she is a national ambassador for United Nations Environmental Program, and regional ambassador of United Nations Environmental Program is Kushi Chindalia, belongs to Surat of Gujarat. No Mask, No Service campaign was started in which state? That is Rajasthan. Next, Rajasthan, in that Rajasthan where? Udaipur. Next one, who became the only Indian film star to appear on the Time magazines, in which 100 most influential people of 2020 list is Ayushmann Khurrana. September 20, that is RPF Foundation Day, that is Railway Protection Force Foundation Day. September 21st, International Day for Peace and Non-Violence, and also World's Alzheimer's Day. Alzheimer's, it's a progressive disease which is going to cause the memory loss and also the mental functions. September 22nd, World Rose Day, for bringing happiness in the lives of the cancer patients. September 23rd, it's an International Day of Deaf, and here they want creating an awareness about the sign language. September 27, it's a World Tourism Day, which is meant for creating a rise in the importance of the tourism, which is going to give an impact in the social, economical, cultural values. Next comes to the sports. Indian Premier League, and there are some cricketers who has played a crucial role to win that match. Those are Rayudu, Kasigo Rabada, Devdutt Podikkal, Sanju Samson and Steve Smith, and K. Rahul and Prithvi Shaw. Go through how many runs they made in one day international, and also which teams they belongs to, etc. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, click the bell button. If you click the bell button, you will get the notifications of our upcoming videos.